Hello, we are the homeowners Wei-Ting and Jian-Hua. We engaged Phelix and Comfort Home to do an overhaul reno of our house, which is a 4-bedroom, 1475 square feet resale condo. Our family consists of 3 adults, a young kid and a small dog.
Our theme was luxe modern, with touches of colonial and rustic essence. Overall, we were looking for designs that were timeless and classic.
As we want our home to be able to accommodate our growing family, our priority also included practical living solutions, efficient space planning, and maximum storage. We worked closely with Phelix to ensure that every choice of material, color, and texture worked together to achieve our design vision. To achieve the colonial white and black contrast, we made the space bright and light with white walls and light-colored wood tiles, and contrasted the space with dark wood furniture. To achieve the luxe feel, we had wainscoting details on the walls, shaker cabinets, matte gold finishings, and marble surfaces. For rustic accents, we included rattan in some of the carpentry and also chose furniture with rattan elements. For the master bedroom, we also installed a white fluted panel bed headboard and added a lime wash feature wall. It's so hard to choose our favorite designs and elements because we love everything about the house. If we have to name a few, for the living and dining area, we love the elegant wainscoting that added sophistication and charm to our walls, as well as how the brightness of the space contrasted with the dark wood rattan carpentry for a colonial and rustic feel.
For the kitchen, we loved that it was both aesthetic and practical. The timeless shaker kitchen cabinets with marbling tabletop gave off a classy luxe vibe. As the kitchen was very small, we also managed to incorporate space-maximizing storage solutions. For our bedroom, we loved the subtle lime wash finish on our master bedroom wall, creating a soft, inviting ambience.
And not to mention the spacious walk-in wardrobe, which turned out elegant yet cozy. We especially loved the center display drawers that were movable, making it practical and flexible to adapt to our changing needs for our room. These elements reflected Phelix's appreciation for refined aesthetics and attention to practical details.
Phelix and team were very patient, detail-oriented, and transparent in communication. When it came to our preferences and requirements, they took the time and effort to really understand and clarify, and left no room for doubt. Even when we were unsure and sometimes changed our minds, the team was always patient and responsive. Phelix was able to provide personalized designs tailored to our taste and budget, and ensured that every aspect of our home reflected our style and personality. Phelix took extra care to ensure that our vision is realized and created spaces that are both beautiful and functional. While he was focused on achieving the aesthetic outcome, he was also very aware of any practical constraints or downsides of our choices, and was able to provide practical solutions to overcome the problems and ensure we get as close as possible to what we envision.
Going with Comfort Home and Phelix was the best decision we made in our renovation journey. Home renovation, especially one that is as extensive as ours, is never easy, but the whole process was made very smooth and fast-paced for us, thanks to the expertise and dedication of Phelix's team. From initial consultation to final installation, every step was carefully planned and precisely executed.
There was clear communication throughout. Phelix regularly updated us on the progress of the works and was always responsive to our queries. He was also quick to provide flexible solutions to overcome the issues met along the way. He seamlessly coordinated all the moving parts and liaised with all the vendors and contractors. This resulted in a hassle-free experience for us and a home that exceeded our expectations. We loved every aspect of our new home, not just for the design and aesthetics, but also the practicalities. We are really glad to call this space our home.